Karens can appear in every moment of our lives all the time. What would you say is one of the worst moments to run into a Karen? Of course, airports and airplanes. Today we're going to take a look at Karens who got instant karma in airports and airplanes, so make sure to watch until the end of the video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on any future uploads. That flight attendant wasn't having this Karen. Her eyes showed it all.
I'm trying to be nice. Ma'am, I'm right here. Are you going to get off the aircraft or are you going to sit there and scream? I'm just asking. Because it's going to be your turn.
I got
so
to
you
pee.
need to go.
I got to get off of here. Ma'am, I'm trying to...
Excuse me, I work here, ma'am. Well, I need get off the aircraft, please.
Welcome to the no-fly list, Karen. Go on a walk, grab a beer and meet some random strangers, or just shut up and sit down. Being an active member of society isn't really that hard to do.
Over there. Go over there. Get away from me. Get away from me. Get away from me. No, you just said it.
Jerry.
That's too much already. Say it again. Say it again. Say it again.
Why is she filming her? What did she do? What did she do? The cashier did?
Nope. You can't.
Oh.
Make her say it again. Say it again. Ma'am. Say it again. Say it. You heard her. You heard her. Make her say it. Make her fucking say it. You know, if that was me, security would be on my ass. Let's be peaceful about this. No, make her say it. You heard it. Let's get a refund. Did you guys hear it?
I heard it.
Did you guys hear it? Shut up.
Oh, we hear it too.
Stop.
I heard it.
Say it again. Now, say it again. Say it again.
Oh, it is security. Look at this dude. Look at this flight.
No, say it again. Let's have the customer say it again. Move. Say it again. Say it again.
DJ Khaled.
Nope. Say it again.
Get him, man. Get him.
Say it again. How first? Did anyone else hear her touch me? Tell her to fucking say it again.
Say what?
If you're running late, don't stop for food.
2 minutes for a single sandwich, and I'm about to miss a flight. So I appreciate it if you could put a cap in your stuff. Doesn't take that long to put egg and bread together. So again, you don't want to make sandwiches? There's hundreds of billions of places hired. Find something you
I
like
already made the sandwich.
What the f are you giving it away or trying it out? I paid for it. That sounds even stupid. That was nice? Thank you.
If you got Southwest employees mad at you, you're in the wrong.
Another Karen at LAX.
No, entitlement is what you're doing. Thinking that you can come onto my heels.
Ma'am, can you move up, please?
Oh, see, no! I get the chance to do it when I want to do
Don't
it.
ball up your fist at me, baby. You got the wrong one. You really got the wrong one. See what you call a lie.
No, you are entitled. You are the ones who are entitled.
Hey, I'm not going to escort it out. I don't know what you think. This is not spirit.
Can you just say it's not fair? Not feeling protected. I am sick of it. Yes, I am. Every time I ask for something, I get totally yelled at or get an attitude towards. I have been attacked, physically assaulted, and I'm trying to protect myself. And all these people do is turn around and set it up like I'm the one who's being overreacting, and I'm not.
Honestly, sometimes it makes me wonder if drinking on or before a flight should be illegal.
You need to call.
No!
I'm gonna do what I need to do. I'm gonna say what I need to do. And if you're gonna do whatever you feel you need to do to me, right? So I'm gonna say what I have meant to say. No, to everybody.
Stand up, man.
Everybody is doing this.
You're gonna get arrested if you do not stop.
I'm already gonna get arrested.
You're gonna get arrested if you don't stand up and get off the aircraft.
Probably already gonna get.
Do you want to get arrested?
I really,
then stand up and get off the aircraft. That's all you have to do.
It's not about that, man.
Okay.
What am I doing that makes you feel like you have a right to put your hands on me? Seriously though, can you tell me that?
Tell me
Can you just help me to understand as a human that is alive? Why do you? Seriously though.
Yeah. Here's what's happening. They're gonna deplane the aircraft. I'm gonna take you off the plane.
That was already happening.
And you're going to jail. Just so you know.
That was already happening.
It won't happen if you get up and walk out with me right now.
Yeah.
But if you're not going to,
right now they're gonna deplane. As soon as they deplane, you're going to jail.
It's not healing. We're not healing.
Get off the plane. Come on. Get off the plane.
What's worse is a lot of people would take her side and believe her.
what do you need?
She stole my fucking headphones.
You should just step. Huh?
She stole my headphones. If you don't stop her, I am gonna call the police.
Ma'am.
Not a joke. There we go.
Funny how they change their tone when they're facing consequences.
Second of all, you called my employee completely uncalled for, inappropriate. You're not going to travel. We don't tolerate that crap with us at all. So you can find another carrier to fly. I'd suggest Spirit. Nope. If you acted appropriate and you weren't disrespectful, then I would let you travel. But unfortunately, you called my employee. Did you call my employee? You didn't.
I was sleeping there. No, I did not.
You didn't. So the other people have heard you say it as well. So
Did somebody else?
yeah, she also had 2 children. Yes, ma'am.
Listen.
Yeah, don't lie because you already did that once when you took the mask off and put a new one of yours on.
I was
again.
getting this out of my bag. Yes, I was.
You were putting the same mask on. You didn't have a mask on when you went
Did I
in.
tell you what
Yeah.
happened?
Unfortunately, no. If you don't follow our policy, that it's a period end of discussion. You don't want to follow a federal mask mandate, and then on top of that, calling your name to my it's not going to happen.
Just remember guys, if you want updates on any of the clips in this video, make sure to subscribe and turn on post notifications so you don't miss out on any future uploads. Have a good one everyone, and I'll see you guys in the next video.